Here's how to fix TikTok if it's not sending a verification code to your phone. So open your phone's messaging app and make sure that you can receive regular text messages. If you can't, try restarting your phone or deleting some messages if your inbox is full. Then open TikTok and try logging into your account. You can go ahead, log out and log in. And before you log in, enter your phone number, your email address, or whatever is associated with your account and your password correctly, and check your TikTok permissions as well. For that, you need to go to your settings, or you can also tap and hold onto the TikTok application, tap on the eye icon in the top, then go to permissions section and make sure that you've given all the permissions to this app and ensure that SMS and notifications are enabled. You can also try clearing the TikTok cache. Scroll down, go to storage, click on clear cache, come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. And on iPhone, you can uninstall and reinstall the TikTok application, and this will automatically clear the cache. And on Android as well, if nothing works, you can also try uninstalling the application and then reinstall it on your phone. And try sending the code again. If the code still does not arrive, turn off Wi-Fi and use the mobile data, and then try sending the code again. If nothing else, go ahead and contact TikTok support, and they will get back to you within 24 to 48 hours and fix your problem. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.